Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is all about digital entrepreneur income. In this video we have 3 unique ways to create a large passive income with low effort, which is ideal for everyone whether you are looking to make a full-time job of this or just as a side income to supplement your current job. Be sure to watch to the end however, as the 4th method is arguably one with the most potential, and therefore make sure not to miss it. Now smash that like button, let's get started. Method 1 in our video to digital entrepreneur income is photography. Now, do you have photo skills or live in an area where images are in high demand? If so, then this is ideal for you, as stock photography websites are a huge repositories to photographs covering almost every possible subject you could imagine. Photographers can post their photographs to any number of massive databases, making them available for purchase. Magazine editors, designers and other groups with websites. And the beauty of stock websites, photos can be sold any number of times so you can continue to make money without any effort. A few examples of these websites are Shutterstock and FORBES. These all offer commissions on your photos when they are brought by people and therefore give you a large percentage of the revenue, and this is all on autopilot. Method number 2 is YouTube. YouTube has become the go-to destination for all kinds of video tutorials and instructions in recent years. It is home to some of the largest online traffic in the world, meaning that it's very easy to create viewership in 2021. A piece of advice from International Living is to become familiar with the phrases that people use to search. You can work this out by typing "how to" your topic in the YouTube search field and see what the terms appear with the autofill options. Make sure to use the same keywords when you write your video title, description and tags in order to optimize the SEO of the videos. The tool I personally use for this is vidIQ, which gives you tools to do keyword research and increase your chance of having a high scoring SEO video. Once you have monetization, money will be in abundance, as once you hit that magical 4,000 hours and 1,000 subs, you'll be able to monetize and begin to earn ad revenue. You can also use other methods of monetization before this milestone however. This takes a lot of explaining, so if you would like a video on this, feel free to comment down below and I would be happy to do this. Method 3 is web design development. Do you know currently how to do web design and development? If not, then it is likely best to skip to the next method. However, if you're willing to learn or already know, then this is an incredibly lucrative market, as in the digital world, thousands of small businesses are looking to move online, and therefore there is an abundance of work available in these sectors, making it very easy to get leads and new clients. Whereas websites such as Fiverr and Freelancer can become very useful. My personal site of choice is Fiverr, which allows you to simply create a gig and begin to await sales. Marketing this does help significantly for your first sale, but once it's up and running you will see weekly income flowing in with more and more clients on a regular basis. The 4th method in this video is the final and the best method in the video. This is blogging. There are sites such as Squarespace and Wix which have tips on creating blogs and will also host them. This makes it incredibly easy to do and extremely self-explanatory. You can also use sites such as WordPress, and there are hundreds of tutorials already on YouTube of how to set this up. Then simply start blogging and start to post regularly. Once you have a bit of a following, it's time to monetize. This is best done with affiliate marketing, as you can write a review on a product etc, then link it below, and then leads to people clicking the link, and the percentage will converge into sales and ultimately revenue for you. The affiliate marketing course that I personally use to learn how to do this will be linked down below in the description, and although it's slightly expensive at first, it has so much value in it, and that I guarantee you will make it all back within your first month at the very minimum. Then each blog post will remain creating you a passive income for years in the future, and as you create more content this compounds over and over and over and over and over again. Now, thanks for watching this video, I hope you have enjoyed, and hope to see you in the next how to make money online video. So if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and give us a comment to let us know you made it to the end. Thank you.